Hi everyone, I hope that this video finds you well. My name is Davin Hoyt. I delineate things, and recently I completed a set of solar dehydrator plans for a solar dehydrator that I'm calling the Missoula1 model. I call it that because there's some folks that are creating these professionally in the Missoula, Montana area. I believe that if you're a DIYer, you need not look any further. I believe you've found exactly where you need to be in order to obtain plans for a solar dehydrator. The reason why I am doing this video is to highlight a few things to make sure that your DIY project is a complete success. So let's get started. Bring you over here to my computer where I have the Missoula1 model waiting. Now I want to point out edit number 5. Edit number 5 is adding felt strip between surfaces that are going to be joined together, say inside this exterior sheathing up against this 2x4, or inside of this interior wall surface between it and the 2x4 that's beyond it. And in a previous video, we talked about the weather stripping along this, but felt could be used in between these surfaces here. This is all to increase the efficiency of your airflow, because that's what the solar dehydrator does, is it flows drier air fast through the system rather than being extremely hot. It's all about air movement. Where do we have more surfaces? Do it at the bottom. Make this glass. I'm hiding things whenever I'm doing that. That was either glass or plexiglass, whatever your budgeting. So here at the base of the wall, you could put more felt there. Don't create a gap with your felt. Use the felt to your advantage. Okay, this has been edit number 5. Thank you for watching. Well, I hope that you found this video informative, and I hope that you're excited to take on this DIY project. Please consider liking this video to put it in front of more people. Also, please consider subscribing to my channel because I've got more creators asking me to do more plans. Please find the link below to purchase your solar dehydrator plans today. Thank you very much. Bye now.